What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing the new Jordan 4 Retro Crimson. Let's get into it. First, you got your normal Jordan 4 box with the Jordan symbol on the front that says Flight. This side of the box got your Jordan with the Air. And on this side of the box is the tag, and it reads Air Jordan 4 Retro Black Multicolor. All right, and they retail for $190. Let's get into it. You got your normal inside box is red. Then you got this nice tissue paper that got the little gray speckles on it, as you can see. And then let's pull out these right here. All right, we got the Jordan 4 Retro Crimson, Red, and Black. Give y'all a 360. All right, let's get into this nice colorway. You got your all black suede, well, I would say nubuck, going around the whole shoe. And you got your little red symbols right here. You got your little cage, black cage with the red going on the inside of it. You got your white Jordan symbol in the back of the shoe. Your normal black shoestrings. They didn't come with any extra shoestrings. You got the tongue. They got the Jordan symbol on the tongue with the flight in red. Bottom of your shoe is all red with that touch of crimson right there with your white Jordan symbol on the bottom. You got your Jordan 4 air bubbles that's on every Jordan 4. Inside of the shoe says Air Jordan upside down as usual. The inside of the shoe is black, and then it pretty much normal with the Jordan symbol on the inside. And you got your normal Jordan 4 little tab on the back of the shoe. These right here, man, these are nice. I took that L on Snickers, but I got the finish line in my husband's size, of course, as you can see how big they are. So this size 10. Caught the L on my size, couldn't get any grade school size. They sold out so quick, so we had to go with these. But at least one of us got them, so hey, can't complain. Gotta go and give y'all a review on these. I know y'all done seen them a lot, but yeah, this shoe is a real nice shoe. I wish I could have got it. I like the way they got the inside with that cage on the inside with that red, crimson red going through it. The red is a little, it's like a pop, like a bright red. It's not your normal university red that comes on most of the Jordans, but this color right here is a nice bright red. You can wear it in the winter, in the summer. This shoe is just a nice shoe, period. I mean, I see why everybody was going for them, because it was a very nice pickup. This was the right shoe. Let's get to the left shoe, which looks the same way. You got your crimson red going around the bottom right here with your air bubble. You got your black going around the front of the toe box with your black nubuck suede going around the whole shoe. Your black shoestrings and that cage on the inside of there that's black with the red crimson in the middle of it. Regular shoestrings, no replacement, no extra laces. Then you got your Jordan symbol on the tongue. In the back of the shoe, you got your Jordan symbol with that flap that's almost on every Jordan 4. Then you got your bottom that's all black with that touch of crimson, and then that Jordan symbol on the bottom of the shoe also. But yeah, these are some nice shoes. I see why everybody was going for them. I wish I could have got them. I couldn't. But just to have these right here in hand, I'm happy that at least one of us was able to get them. So hey, he got them, but hey, it's all good. I'll catch him on the next go around, because I'm not going to pay resale for them. So on to the next one. But yeah, that's what we got for today. The Jordan 4 Retros. They came out today, which is January 15th. I know some of them came out early. If you had exclusive access on Snickers, I didn't get exclusive access, nor did I take the dub on Snickers, so it's all good. But yeah, that's what we got for today. Jordan 4 Retro Crimson. Yeah, 360 one more time. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Did y'all go for them, or did you pass because those breads just came out, what, about a week or two ago? So did you go for these, or was you waiting for the next Jordans that's coming up next? Which, as I have looked at the upcoming calendar, it's not looking real good for the Jordan brand right now. The drops just coming out, they're not looking too good. I don't think I'm gonna be going for pretty much, not to maybe one or two on there, but as far as being able to cop something every week and all that, nah, that's not gonna happen. But like I said, for 2022, I'm gonna be very selective on what shoes I get this year, so. Took the L on these, so on to the next one, which is those Yeezys that come out next week. Man, I hope I hit those, but if not, it's all good. We're gonna be very selective in 2022 and get the stuff that we only really need. But yeah, it's your girl SnkrMom. Go ahead and continue to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.